This part has several features. The .1812 diameter cylinder, the .718 diameter cylinder, the .515 diameter hole that's going through this part, the .093 slot, and the threads that are on this surface of the .812 diameter cylinder. These three features will be created using a base sketch that looks similar to this. So this part of the sketch will represent this feature here, the .812 diameter cylinder. This portion of the sketch will represent the .718 diameter cylinder. And we basically will use a center line here in order to create this .515 diameter hole. We will identify this as our front view, which will allow us to create this sketch on the XY plane. To create the sketch, we will go to Create Sketch. In the browser, we will select the XY plane because we're going to create this plane or create this sketch on the front view. We will select the line tool, and we'll just kind of start our sketch in this quadrant. Now just take a vertical line and go up, then go to the right, come down. And so our sketch will look something like this. I want this line, the end point of this vertical line, to be aligned with this point. So I would just kind of reference this point by moving the cursor over, but do not click. And I would know that it's being referenced when I see the dotted or the dashed line appear. And so I want to make sure this line is perpendicular to the line that's here. So I'll click there and then click on this end to close it. So that sketch resembles the sketch that I mentioned. Since we are going to use the revolve sweep operation, we need to have an axis of revolution. So to create that, what we will do is go to Create, and we're going to select where it says Project Include. And we're going to click on the X-axis in the browser. So basically what this is going to do is place the X-axis onto the sketch plane. So we're going to click on the X-axis, and you should see that X-axis appear here. The other thing that we will do with this X-axis is to change this line to a center line. So we'll do a right mouse button click on the line and select normal center line. The reason why we need to do that is because we're going to put in diameter dimensions to apply to this sketch. Since these are diameter dimensions, we will need to have this to be a center line so we can apply those dimensions when we define the sketch.